Hello dear students, good morning. It's a unique curtain design, isn't it? It's a magical curtain. Let's raise the curtain and let the magic begin. These are harmonics. Do you remember I have concluded my last lecture with the word harmony and told you that our next topic of discussion is derived from the word harmony, that is harmonic. When a string or an air column is set into vibrations by some means, the waves are reflected from the ends and stationary waves can be formed. We have already discussed it earlier. An important condition to form stationary waves depends on the boundary conditions that constrain the possible wavelengths or frequencies of vibration of the system. These are called the natural frequencies of normal modes of oscillations. The minimum of these frequencies is termed as the fundamental frequency. Now the vibrations consist of fundamental frequency together with certain higher frequencies. The word harmonic is used to indicate the fundamental frequency and all its integral multiples. The fundamental frequency is called as the first harmonic. If the fundamental frequency is n, then the second harmonic has a value twice n. The third harmonic has a value thrice n, and so on. But remember, though harmonics represent the fundamental frequencies and all its integral multiples, the harmonics may or may not be present in the given sound. The higher frequencies present in vibrations are called overtones. So the term overtone is used to represent the higher frequencies. The literal meaning of overtones is over means above. So any of the tones above the lowest in harmonic series. Overtone is used to indicate only those multiples of the fundamental frequency which are actually present in the given sound. So the first frequency higher than the fundamental frequency is called the first overtone. The next frequency higher is the second overtone and so on. काय होतं दिलेल्या साऊंड मध्ये जी मिनिमम फ्रिक्वेन्सी असते तिला म्हणतात फंडामेंटल फ्रिक्वेन्सी आणि फंडामेंटल फ्रिक्वेन्सीज या हार्मोनिक या शब्दाने रिप्रेझेंट करतो म्हणजे फंडामेंटल फ्रिक्वेन्सीला आपण फर्स्ट हार्मोनिक म्हणतो मग जर फंडामेंटल फ्रिक्वेन्सी एन असेल तर सेकंड हार्मोनिकची फ्रिक्वेन्सी असेल ट्वाइस एन थर्ड हार्मोनिकची फ्रिक्वेन्सी असेल थ्राइस एन तसंच ओव्हरटोन हे हायर फ्रिक्वेन्सीज रिप्रेझेंट करण्यासाठी वापरतात पण फक्त ज्या ऍक्च्युअली प्रेझेंट आहेत त्याचसाठी आपण त्याच फ्रिक्वेन्सीसाठी आपण ओव्हरटोन हा शब्द वापरतो मग पहिली जी हायर फ्रिक्वेन्सी आहे फंडामेंटल फ्रिक्वेन्सी पेक्षा तिला म्हणतात फर्स्ट ओव्हरटोन दुसरी हायर फ्रिक्वेन्सी त्याला म्हणतात सेकंड ओव्हरटोन आणि अशा पद्धतीने आपण हार्मोनिक्स आणि ओव्हरटोन्स जे आहेत ते त्या दिलेल्या साऊंड मध्ये काय काय प्रेझेंट आहे ते सांगू शकतो These two tables will make it more clear. As you can see in the table, the first column represents the frequencies here. N is the fundamental frequency, so the first harmonic. If the frequency present in the given sound is twice n, it represents the second harmonic and the first overtone as it is the first higher frequency than the fundamental frequency. Then if the frequency present is thrice n, it represents the third harmonic and the second overtone. 4n, fourth harmonic and third overtone. Then the second table, again n represents the fundamental frequency. So obviously it will be the first harmonic. Now if the frequency present, next frequency present in the given sound is thrice n, it represents the third harmonic. But it will represent the first overtone as it is the first higher frequency than the fundamental frequency. And the next frequency present in the given sound is 5n. It represents the fifth harmonic and the second overtone, as it is the second higher frequency than the first or the fundamental frequency. 7 and seventh harmonic and the third overtone. So we can say that all harmonics are overtones, but all overtones are not harmonics. In an open organ pipe, all harmonics are present, whereas in a closed organ pipe, only alternate harmonics are of frequencies n, 3, n, 5, that is odd number harmonics are present. Whereas in open pipe means you can be clear from this table. So these are the harmonics present in an open organ pipe, and these are the harmonics present in a closed organ pipe which is closed at one end. So in case of a organ pipe which is closed at one end, the even harmonics are absent, that is twice n, 4 times n, 6 times n are absent. But when you listen to the sound produced by the organ pipe which is open at both ends and the organ pipe which is closed at one end, the musical sound produced by an open organ pipe is sweeter than that produced by a closed organ pipe, as all harmonics are present in the sound produced by an organ pipe which is open at both the ends. Wow, the world of music is full of variety of sounds and interesting thing. Here I must tell you one more interesting thing. In a tabla, the membrane is loaded about the center. Why? See, here you can see the stretched membrane is loaded at the center. It is called as syahi. A note is musical when it is rich in harmonics and not partial overtones. Ordinarily, a stretched membrane vibrates with such overtones, but when the stretched membrane is loaded at the center, its overtones become nearly harmonic. So its sound becomes fairly musical. Interesting, isn't it? To understand the concept of harmonics and overtones, we have to study vibrations of air column. So we will make the air column vibrate in the next lecture. Stay tuned. Thank you.